It's a beautiful, crisp Saturday morning here at Wolf Hollow, and we're going to be working on Fawn's Grand Cherokee today.
So
what are we doing?
we're replacing the rear drive shaft. One of the U-joints on it was bad.
Yeah, that's not good.
The Tom Woods drive shaft is professionally packaged. You don't have a knife on you, do you?
Things is the drive shaft smaller.
The diameter of the new drive shaft is smaller than the factory drive shaft. Factory drive shaft is made out of aluminum. The new drive shaft is made out of steel. We ordered the Tom Woods drive shaft with greasable U-joints. Grease fitting is here in the cap instead of in the crossbody of the U-joint. Before we install the drive shaft, we're going to apply blue Loctite to all the bolts. Just a little dab will do ya. The drive shaft bolts are 15 millimeter. We're going to be using a ratchet and a box end. The front flange has a slightly different bolt pattern than the back flange. When installing the drive shaft, start at the front. You're going to need to be able to lift the back of the drive shaft to get the socket on the bolt and tighten it up. Put her in neutral. Tom Woods has you measure your drive shaft so they can get the exact fit needed for your vehicle. The factory drive shaft has a cup that goes over the flange. It extends past it. Tom Woods instructions tells you to measure from the very front of the drive shaft with the vehicle sitting at its normal ride height to the face of this flange back here. Then subtract 1 inch. If you have any questions as to the proper way to measure your drive shaft length, give Tom Woods a call, and so that you make sure that you get the proper fit. Now it's time to install the rear. Park. And there it is, drive shaft installed in a 2005 Grand Cherokee. So how does it feel that your husband just gave you the shaft?
Oh, cute. Cute.
Back up.